Welcome to Make Something with me, David Picciuto, and today I'm going to show you how to make these crates. Each crate comes from one 2x6 that costs less than $5. Check it. Each crate is made from one 2x6. This is 92.5 inches long, costs less than $5 from my local home center, and we're going to make this over on the table saw. The first thing I need to do is cross cut this into 5 sections. We have our 2x6 cut up into 5 sections. The small section over here, this is going to be used for the corner pieces. So I'm going to clean up one edge and then make 4 square pieces out of that. So now, out of the remaining 4 pieces, we're going to cut all the slats. We have 2 long pieces and 2 short pieces, and they're all the same width. I got 5 pieces for one side, 5 pieces for the other side, 5 for the long, another 5 for the long. These guys are going to be used for the bottom. These guys are also going to be used for the bottom, but need to be cut down to size. This is all of the scraps that I have from that 2x6. A good efficient use of wood. So we have our 5 long slats and our 2 inside supports, and I'm just going to glue and nail this together. Just one nail in the corner for each one right now. Then we'll square it up and put a second nail in there. Square that up. I have a spacer that I cut that I can use to glue these in. I'm pre-drilling and throwing these long screws in there, just in the top rail, because this is likely to be used as a handle when carrying this. Now we have our 2 sides. We can attach the short pieces. Just use one nail again to start it. We'll square it up. Then we'll throw a second nail in there. Once again, gonna pre-drill and add screws to the top rail. And now we'll add the bottom pieces. For the bottom, we're not going to use a spacer, we're just going to eyeball it. I'm going to reinforce them with some screws. On the bottom pieces, you want to make sure the screws go below the surface, because I've learned from the past, if you had this on a wooden floor, the screws will scratch the floor. That is all done. I'm not going to sand or finish it. I like it just like that. So now I'm going to make 7 more of these, and I'm going to use tools other than the table saw to show you there are multiple ways to do things. Squarespace templates makes creating a powerful online identity even easier. Each template is a starting point for a wide range of projects. Whether you're pursuing your side hustle or promoting your main gig. As some of you know, I was a web developer for 10 years. And if you're asking yourself, why would a web developer move their site to Squarespace? That's because I got fed up with updates, servers being down, servers being slow, and all the hassles that are involved in maintaining and running a website. Squarespace eliminates all of that. I'm able to sell digital files and physical items. I am so excited about my brand new website because it's so easy to use and it's easy to update and it looks fantastic. So start your free trial today at squarespace.com/makesomething and get 10% off your first purchase. So once you get your Squarespace site set up, send me a link down below in the comments and I'll highlight a couple of you in the next spot. Think it, dream it, make it with Squarespace. These guys are stackable. You can put one in here, throw another one on top. They can be used for decoration or storage. You can make bookshelves out of them. Turn them on one side, stack them like this. We made 8 of these. I am not gonna put a finish on there. I like the natural look of the 2x6. Each one made from one $5 2x6. It's actually less than $5 for each crate. Super quick and fun, easy to make with a table saw or band saw. I will have a link down in the description with step-by-step plans on how to make these with dimensions. So this is the reason I built the crates. They're for my display at the craft show. The ends, they're upright, and then the bottom ones, they're all turned backwards so I can use for storage from behind, and I just have them covered with a cloth. They're not attached to each other, they're just sitting on top. It's sturdy enough. I've used this display style in the past, and if you're wondering if the screws and glue on the bottom of the crates is strong enough, it's held up for many years. I've done this many times before, and this is going to work great. So this not only allows me to make a display, but it's how I carry my crafts in and out of the craft shows. All right, folks, that is it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next week with a brand new project. As always, be safe, have fun, stay passionate, and make something.